Today we're going to be using a new material called realistic wing material from Jason out of Sweden. And basically what this is a pre-measured wing case. And so what we have is the vanes printed on this fine material, and then we use another one of their tools, a wing burner. And these wings could be used in a great number. They have a bunch of different types. They've got mayflies, they've got stoneflies, they've got caddis flies. This is a caddis. We're going to be working on an October caddis wing today. You could use it by itself in applications where you wouldn't need as much flotation. So, spring creek fishing, things where you've got relatively slow flow. For us fishing out here in the McKenzie-Willamette area, we need lots of flotation. So as I started tinkering with this product, I found that you could take these individual wings and then laminate them onto a piece of microfoam. So what I've done is taken my pair of scissors, cut off one of the wing segments. So I've got the outline of the wing there. Just set that down on my vise. I've got a bottle of Zap with the brush on it. I will just basically go along the line that's drawn there. You just basically color in with the glue the area that you want.
So that's over the wing itself, or that's over the outside?
That's over. This is just over this is over the entire surface of the veined area.
Got it.
So the next thing I've got that wing completely covered. I'll take it over here to this is micro foam in the tan color. I'll lay that on top of there. And so basically I've got, in 20 seconds or whatever it takes that Zap to cure on there, I've got the veining laminated on top of that microfoam. So the next thing I'm going to do, this is a relatively time-consuming process, but I think that the end result is really cool and going to open up some doors to a lot of different things that, problems we've been trying to solve as far as flotation and that goes on these bigger bugs. Especially lightweight. So as you're seeing, I'm just going to kind of take my scissors and cut out the section that I just glued onto the foam. We'll trim it down a little tiny bit. It doesn't have to be exact because we're going to, like I said, we're going to use another one of their tools in just a second here to kind of help create what we're looking for. So there you have the microfoam laminated with the wing veining. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take their wing burner. This is not a new concept of fly tying, but these are pretty exceptional as far as overall quality, sizes, and new materials as well.
Huge range of sizes and styles. Huge range of
sizes. I mean, everything from 20s all the way up to 4s. So basically what we've done is we've grabbed onto just where the veining was, stuck it inside that, stuck it inside the clip here. Get that all nice and even. I'm going to take a lighter, and I'm just going to singe off the ends of this, basically. And this is going to trim it down basically perfect, but the other cool thing that does when you burn it is it seals off that wing material, so it's basically fused onto the piece of foam. Looks like I got just a little section in here I may need to snip.
And so you cut that out fairly close to what it was, yeah, so that we weren't burning a tremendous amount.
Correct. And so now we can pull that out. And as you can see, we've got basically a perfect laminated wing shape. Some of the patterns that we use, in particular, like that half-down golden stonefly, it's got the veining on the material, but in my opinion, it's turned the wrong direction. So what I've been doing is taking this, folding down right along the even there, right along the center of the vein, and creating basically the wing case that from the trout's perspective has the veining, which I think is going to be the most important part. So there you have a completed caddis wing case. This is going to go on an October caddis pattern, like I mentioned earlier, and it's a really cool new material and a cool new technique, building on older techniques, and so there you have it.